It's Blue Jade in the Duvet times. It's Blue Jade. Lightning bolt. Zhengui. You like your duvet, don't you? This is why house is a mess, because I just have to fucking leave everything, because they love just fucking hiding about and stuff, so I think, fuck it, I'll just fucking leave it. Wow! I'm not going to do anything to you. You got fucking paranoid the last few weeks, haven't you? That's it. Good girl. Hey, look at me. That's it. Look at beautiful blue eyes. Yes. I look at you. So I'm going to see what you're doing. So I'm little Miss Paranoid. I'm watching you. Just in case you do anything. Just in case you take me out to the vets or something. I've got my eye on you. You're not sunbathing. So, sort of. In a way. You like your duvet? He's nice, isn't it? He's very comfy. Yes, it is. Jade, Zhengui, Dada, Ultimate Fighting Kitten, Lightning Bolt. So I kill anything for free. Yes, I do. You little fighting bastard, you aren't you? Yes. So I fucking fight on. £29, but I'll fight a fucking 200-pound man and fucking kill him to death. Which you did to me, didn't you? Well, not that I'm 200 pounds, but 170. So I killed a 170-pound man and put him in severe fucking agony and pain. I'm only £9, I'm only little, but I fight you for free. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You got cats. Yes. Apparently Egyptians bred them to be guard cats, and I could never figure it out until they started attacking me. Well, Sapphire didn't, but you did, didn't you? You attacked me twice, and Mummy. Yes, you did. Don't attack Mummy. It's naughty. Naughty cat. Kitten. Yes. What shall I say? I love you. Yes, I do. What do you think's that? I'm not fucking bothered. You do really that, don't you? Are you gonna go to bed with Daddy for a bit? And then we're gonna do the shopping. Sam, I do. No, yay. It's Blue Jade on the duvet time. In the living room. Well, the dining room. Yes. She could go. She could go, really. She says. You can do a raw. No. Blue Jade. Zhengui. Precious. She says. Meow. Goodbye.